Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more views on Offerup. The way I do this is that number one, you want to make sure that you optimize and utilize all the characters in your title. And within the characters of your title, you want to make sure that they're all relevant keywords to what you're selling. So if you're selling a camera, for example, you don't just want to put camera in the title. You want to put as many relevant keywords related to camera. So maybe the word mirrorless, maybe the word digital, maybe the word Sony, Canon. A lot of different keywords can usually come into relation with what product you're selling. So in addition to the title, another way to get more views is through product photos. Do not skip it on your product photos. Now, I'm not saying go buy a light head or a softbox in order to take photos of your product, but what you can do is just open up your window when it's nice and bright outside and take all 8 images of your product and utilize them within the Offerup listing. So with those two features in place, the optimized title is going to help viewers or buyers find your product, and then the images that you take is basically going to get them to click on your product. So those two features combined are basically what I utilize and basically spend a lot of my time on in order to make sales on Offerup. And to date, I've made over 800 sales on Offerup. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.